I'm gonna make a batch of thin and crispy waffle fries. I've just been getting the potatoes ready. I cut the potatoes and then I soaked them in water for an hour just to remove the starch. Now before I fry the potatoes, I need to pat them really dry. There's a little bit of a knack to cutting the potatoes. Let me walk you through it. I cut the end off of a potato. Then using a mandolin with the crinkle slicer, I cut down. The first slice is always a crinkle. I rotated the potato 90 degrees, cut down, and there it was, a thin waffle fry. Just be very careful with that mandolin. It is sharp. So I kept going, cutting and rotating until I had a big pile. For the first stage of frying, I'm gonna put the potatoes in vegetable oil that's been heated to 260 degrees, and I'm just gonna fry them for 2 minutes for the initial stage. No matter what kind of fries I make, I always fry them twice. Okay, the potatoes have had their first fry. They're really soft, so I'm gonna take them out of the oil and let them drain. All right, I'm gonna turn the heat up under the pot, and I'm gonna heat the oil to 325, and then I'll return the potatoes to the pot for another 3 minutes. Okay, the potatoes are ready to come out. I stopped short of them getting too brown. They are beautifully golden. These are so thin, they're on the verge of being potato chips. Now what makes these fries extra delicious is this simple seasoning mix. Let me tell you how to throw it together. Okay, seasoning mix coming right up. I added a teaspoon of seasoned salt to a bowl, along with half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne, and mixed it together. I will get these fries onto a platter. Ooh, they look amazing. It's sour cream and onion dip, made with half a cup of mayo, half a cup of sour cream, a teaspoon of Dijon, 1/4 a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, the same amount of salt, a tablespoon of chopped chives, and you guessed it, everything is mixed together. A few stirs and the dip is done. This dip is the perfect partner for these fries.